Unit 3, End of Unit Major, Calculator Active. Question 1. There are 15 pieces of fruit in a bowl, and 6 of them are apples. What percentage of the pieces of fruit in the bowl are apples? Show your work using a diagram. A. 0 and 6/10%. B. 0 and 4/10%. C. 60%. D. 40%. Question 2. Select all of the trips that would take 2 hours. Show your work using a diagram. A. Drive 60 miles per hour between Buffalo and Seneca Falls, which are 120 miles apart. B. Walk 3 miles per hour to school, which is 1.5 miles away. C. Take a train going 80 miles per hour from Albany to New York City, which are 160 miles apart. Question 3. Lynn's family has completed 70% of a trip. They have traveled 35 miles. How far is the trip? Show your work using a diagram. A. 24 and 5/10 miles. B. 50 miles. C. 59 and 5/10 miles. D. 200 miles. Question 4. A ship captain is mapping a trip and wants to know the distance the ship will travel over certain time intervals. Time in hours, distance in miles. A. Fill in the missing numbers in the chart. B. Assuming that the ship travels at a constant speed, what is its speed? Label your answer. Question 5. Which weighs more, a watermelon that weighs 7 and 5/10 kilograms or a baby that weighs 12 pounds? Note, 1 pound is about 0 and 45 kilograms. A. Show your work using a diagram. B. Which weighs more? Question 6. Elena and Jada are 12 miles apart on a path when they start moving towards each other. Elena runs at a constant speed of 5 miles per hour, and Jada walks at a constant speed of 3 miles per hour. How long does it take until Elena and Jada meet? Show your work using a diagram. Question 7. Lynn runs 5 laps around a track in 6 minutes. A. How many minutes per lap is that? Show your work using a diagram. B. How many laps per minute is that? Show your work using a diagram. C. If Lynn runs 21 laps at the same rate, how long does it take her? Show your work using a diagram.